Oh, T, I'm not a video call when I'm saying. Anyways, guys.
You are such an evil person.
How?
Evil, yo.
I
don't know. I think I'm memes. So like, I'm
Musumba. Shidaka mafunga santo diti.
You were so focused.
Yeah, I'm like, okay.
What's the niche one I had? You know, you don't.
10 years already. I mean, I already talk about. I go, mama, I'm over for a phone, so. And I'm like,
you just moved your head.
You don't move at all, Pezuri. Now, me, Saji. Mumblor, no, let's Nilon, Umeran. I'm like,
was it a call coming in or a text?
I cut the chat, so. Something like JR player something like that. Someone go those bona JR nas that rungo.
Nejo bena mandi JR loved.
Then I was like, oh.
Hey, Nano Fombe, you were so focused.
Nah, man, no one want to play game. Apala Fistos. A plague.
What's that?
I think he did it himself, man. It's so cute. I'm gonna post it today.
What's that?
I can't. I'm about to show you.
Guys, just okay.
Game room, Apala. Fistos in a game room, guys.
Hey, Isho. In a game room.
So cute, right?
Oh, I did that.
You did that? Oh,
we did for his birthday last year.
You know, come on.
You know, guys.
So cute.
Yeah, that was his birthday gift last year.
Shout out, man.
Rasa this was ringing me. I'm ringing me DJ.
Matiki.
I'm thinking adura.
What kind of ring do I mean?
That's the thing. I think we only thought that's true so because anyone that has do with it.
Yeah.
Mara mateki, you are always.
Next another few. What do you want for a birthday? I'm gonna think sneakers.
Okay, yeah, because you can never have enough, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, nothing Mara would want sneakers. Hey, sneakers.
But then with you guys, I can get you like the tote bag, all those things.
Okay, yeah, we have like a variety. Why not?
I don't know, man. I just feel like you wouldn't buy that thing for someone. They should buy it themselves.
I would buy anything. Okay, here's the thing. With small things like that, this will randomly. It doesn't have to be a birthday gift.
Yeah.
So when I'm doing your I don't have to wait for your birthday.
Anything capable. But the young way sweet.
Yeah, get paid. I want to say Martin 21.
Actually.
Yeah, I'm going to take pay.
Zikipa.
You draw na bogisi. Like something. Mutu arina sponsor atu yambara suza Nike na mini. Utu yambara kepe yandu.
Speaking of that, see, there's a guy I know young approach. I think ni kama za approach. No na mtu commenta ka video ya Gemini. Akore ukong ampruncha. Watu wabora ba. Okay,
not approach.
Or ukong approach. Oh yeah, so that guy, I think he commented on a video and Rambara Chikipacha Manchester United. And then he was like, I think we own a brand, yeah, Jambar. Okay. Because not a general check and them. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And I was like,
why you wrote for that?
It's always cold, eh?
Marango fungo something namzi. Damn.
Diamond dili light in nali toda.
Oh, obviously light to this heat.
Mara iko vuma nukefa iko vuma ngantu.
Iko zome kuvisa mnye opisa. Mara hapa kane uko rotward.
Ayo tete wine. Maybe
anyways.
Actually, there's no coming this week apparently.
Bro, tuchuesa.
Marina majasi.
It doesn't matter, but I still have to be at work. Jinaka iko snow one no zurani ko chumena nduni ntambete.
Oh yeah.
Maybe
if a day off. Never know, man. Like, oh, you guys, you can work from home. Tunyganisha dapo na freezer.
Nenazi asthma. Yo, ndizwando chuwa ndichifa cold. Yeah, so you're still saying I am tukanoni amproncha.
Yeah, so on amproncha. I turned. It was like, why you podcast uchambora suzamadzina zibranded zaso? Why usa push you branded za local? Then I'm like, I get it, Mara. Now you wanna choose what I wear, ndichiko shooter, and then also nikodon this. Ndela zune roya ramba ngazo mtuko do dani pa zitunga mahala. So zune also it's not even your type of clothing.
Ndobuza I think ukuvula something like a restaurant ukombela postediwa. Also, we're not friends like that. Arukombela postediwa warawara. And then he's like, yeah, I already would that and I'm like, you can't tell me
that has it as a poster.
Okay. I was so confused. I'm like, not that kind of no. There's no way I'm outside and I'm naked, right?
Exactly.
So to benefit you. So why you going to get data? There's no way I don't have data.
Yeah.
And
that's because no one presence on social media.
Exactly. So ndina about 15,000 ka Instagram ba ndikoni postera bashibona ini number data. It's not going to take more than 5 megabytes to post that.
Probably.
Even worse. Also, you know what? I think people don't understand marketing and they and they need you instead.
I think with marketing,
you know, I go through so much with my clients, like Motoari, do this for me. Black people still don't take marketing serious, you know. You can't tell me you want digital marketing services and then now better discount. Do you have
services on the side?
I do.
Oh.
I do have people when I've got like so many Instagram accounts that I handle. And stuff. Mara.
Instagram. Let me just.
I don't think you know them.
We know losing a loved one is never easy. At MR21 Funerals and Insurance, we understand the importance of celebrating life with respect, care, and personalized attention. Join our packages from as little as 100 Rand and have a dignified funerals for yourself or your loved ones. For further assistance, contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252, or you can contact them on their cell, which is 061-509-0775, or visit them at Happy's Car Wash Complex, Chukudini, opposite Harikhoto. And also you can find them on their website, which is www.mr21.co.za, and follow them on all their social media platforms, which is MR21 Funerals and Insurance. MR21, true respect. Let me see. Why you guys are cool? Show the initiative visa phone. Number 3.
And I feel like you've got big eyes already, so I don't want you to like. You probably know who you. Do you know him? I'm sure I'm sure them is a more general. Oh damn. Yeah,
damn. Change password if.
Imagine. You are so bad. No, I wouldn't do that. Nah, and the visa kazi. Why would I do that?
Just do need to remember.
Retriever.
Nah, nitoma na change number phone. Do you know
email?
Ni change password, na change email, whichever you used to authenticate. See? Then after that.
Why would I do that? Anyways, I was still saying.
Just be petty, man.
Why should I be petty? I was still saying.
Yeah.
Black people don't take marketing that serious.
Yeah.
Like and there's nothing I can do. I'm not a fighter. I don't know how to fight. So now I must come. Imagine. That is so disappointing.
That's the spirit of fighter, man.
Mara, honestly, even though it was Zuranda said, they always come back. That's the thing,
yeah,
you know.
So
but
like,
we don't. Hey, that's a lot of money for just what? I was like, then I'm like, okay, cool. No, if it is a lot, then to one. Then they come back when they realize it's not as easy. Gamandesanga business is B2C, you need clients every day, like business to client. You go to the client every day. As wingy, but as a contract, like long term. You get what I'm saying. So I don't know. I think people don't take marketing serious. Oh, they don't take us serious.
I think it's just marketing as a whole. Okay, maybe it's not as they don't take marketing as a whole. And then it is the
no, marakato da umbele. So why Jambara Nike? Don't say why the Jambara Nike.
Also, that's why are you questioning what I'm wearing? Okay. And then on a bed day. Come on, Niambara. Hey, Nakama. That's me.
Chikipa.
As a keeper.
Oh, you mean the jacket? Oh, thank you. But I'm just saying.
I'm not tuned. Not.
Nikombora mara vatu zvakuma vatu havazarjisa and all I need ndotomunyerisa because also there was a time I needed help from him as been dude so nikomumbuza ndiri muna it is not good and then go to the ditchini to say that's an insult. For me it is like, what do you mean, dude? But the Wi-Fi monthly, you wanna come to me and tell me you send me data.
That's the thing. Bro,
what do you even mean? Anyways, yeah.
That's right. Mara respect craft is abango bathu na mini. But then before resort ya kule ngor the bizarre kota intro sa outro lately. This is what so this episode is brought to you by MR21, but then we coming at you live from Panda Studios.
23. Did you know 23?
No, 38.
38 Mela Street.
Number 4.
Oh, 38 Mela Street. Bramfontein.
So what they do, guys, but video streaming live any in a pre-recorded minimum hours as a podcast is a pre-recorded, although we can do live, just that we're not ready because you know that okay.
Now I had to put that, no, but then what to go?
And then why there's also zote wangata and the Kofira, 38 Mele Street, Bramfontein. So if you want to contact them on 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com. Apparently, email is, I think, Venda Jambo. So if you email it to Mangori info, Pinduli, can understand emailing up and Pinduli.
Mara.
Yeah.
Because it's usually the company. Email the go-to in I've seen a lot of complaints.
Recommend domain info at what then after that I'm with the Maginia at Panda Studios.
Yes.
Now I want your name, bra, like Maginia.Ndivo.Maginia at Panda Studios.
Ndivo at what?
Cash, one got that directly. We are CEO, Vapire HR, and I mean, Ndivo at pandastudios.com. Oh, remember, I'm doing some better to send an apology.
Oh, yes.
Guys, when you forget but okay, that came out wrong.
And they got the reporter.
So, yes, what happened? That person, when I'm to end copyright minimum, or also now I'm just to post on Facebook. I'm like, why didn't you post that? And then monetize all these things. I'm not aware of the
exactly.
Of Vavarishpe Zochutanga 6, and the editor, I mean, Napezanga Mafoya Madauch.
In Nigeria.
Of one digital trailer in Amodirimini, yes, catch a changachoman test. So that's what you think you're gonna live off. I don't know how. So, Emily, funny enough, I wanted to go there because brackets.
Your name. Okay, guys, let me read this for you now. Let me read this. The subject area apology and request to resolve copyright issue. Okay. The subject area apology and request to resolve copyright issue. Yare dear Mr. Danganezani Kingsley Mudau. I hope this message finds you well. My name is Yare bracket your name.
My name is.
My name is Yare bracket Yare your name. And I'm reaching out to sincerely apologize for using your video content without your permission. I understand that what I did was wrong and it violated your intellectual property rights. I take full responsibility for my actions and deeply regret causing you any inconvenience or harm. I truly respect your work and creativity, and it wasn't my intention to disrespect or misuse your content. I've learned from this mistake and assure you that it will never happen again. I kindly ask if you would consider withdrawing the report you made to Facebook, report number Yangwariwa, so my content and my account can be restored. Facebook has said that if you agree to do so, they will reinstate my account once you follow the instructions in the email they sent you. Thank you for taking the time to read this. I really appreciate your understanding. You know why we're going to take time? For the fact that I'm one as no was such a GPT. Then it's not sorry.
But I do understand. I mean, I also, okay. I feel like I also do.
In a apology, you don't think GPT, would you take it?
Obviously not. Now that you in the brackets, Mara, the effort, I would do it. That will make a here's an answer I got. Here's the best answer I got.
But
why you guys
you know, my issue is this is the same person ane roya recommend ka video yawe ari already chelete we're not evil mara arimpe chipinga for real.
So,
like some probation for real, because everyone will feel like they can do it. So we need to set an example. We're not evil. We will do it.
We just bad people, but we're not evil.
Take time to rethink. Content in post you know. I'm sure I run a Facebook una camera. So come up with ideas. The same chat GPT will tell you the type of content you could shoot.
Also, do you know that you can actually just do that, man? I go to chat GPT, I use Gemini a lot, bruh. Like, need to understand, okay, this is what I want to do with my life. Can you please give me like a layout in detail?
I think people misuse chat GPT. And it can actually help you for a lot.
But like the old podcast now, it run. It's on 17,000 subscribers out of chat GPT.
It can help you with almost everything. It's just that also, you also need to still add and humanize it.
Yeah, exactly. There's that.
And there's a manga assignment and some boost.
Question and if you and then you're like, no, just to check again. Let's do it. Different.
You know,
then you're like, what?
No, at the same time, we need to understand that AI is not human, ne? And then we mistake it. So you still need to like proofread it.
Yeah.
And the date is this is on. Sorry, but the 17th of July is not Monday. Sorry about that. It's not always accurate. So you still need to also check your work. Okay, this is disappointing. It's giving the Kokopa essay and that's what it's giving.
Yes, that's your one.
I had another guy that did it. Rich Corona, grade 3.
Yeah, but then probably like your name.
No, as a corny, but yeah. Not like, yeah, he was those kids. And then I got an assignment. I'm like, like every single thing. Even the way I underline.
Because I would assume comes in and then maybe punch a maraga.
I teach the and I just remember though having an assignment. Although they knew already and if is why they were handwriting, my handwriting is bad. It's ugly.
Oh shit.
And the whole of us want to neat. You do remember what one of us are calling?
Not with me, eh?
Really? You want to neatly?
Ngamanda.
Oh, my handwriting is bad.
I think
like horrible.
Later. I think we change our varsity because I'm like, okay, no one is going to mark, no one is going to do anything.
Then the one is fast, so it ends up looking messy. You know, there was a time in varsity. I remember I was writing my exam. We probably not final year. June somewhere. I was doing my final year. The way I write so fast, so they are crema. They are last minute. I don't sleep the night before my exam. So everything I have, I want to put it on paper before it leaves.
Yeah.
So they want super fast. I was so confused because it always looks like I'm copying.
Yeah,
what do you understand? And now I'm annoyed because I'm like, do you understand that I'm copying, but I'm copying it from my brain?
But you should have told him when quit.
And then I was one of those kids. I'm sure that I ran this number 1 and number 3 latest. Yova. I am that fast. So I think that's why my handwriting is bad. I'm not. No, I'm not student the writer slow. I do everything like Dita. So it ends up looking. I need don't no wait. What are you thinking? Not like that. Not that.
No, driving school. Go good at fast.
Ndingava drop out driving school voruraru. Ndichifast kuninyiza. Vanga drive business pay tichingapa. That thing used to annoy me. I left it.
Actually 4 days.
And then okay, at least Baba Chim favor and but still,
how do they choose on that?
You just gotta be pretty.
Right?
Yeah, you just gotta be pretty and look like Pretty privilege is a thing.
everywhere.
And I'm not going to feel bad about it. I don't want to. No, you can't make me feel bad about it, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Una money privilege and but wako issue misa. So if I can use the pretty one, why not?
Which one do you use the most, money or
I don't
pretty?
have the money.
Oh, okay.
I don't have the money.
I'm just asking you.
Okay, maybe money in terms of I love paying for convenience.
Yeah, it's a good thing for that one.
I don't like it. I would do that. Yeah. Okay, because I don't like doing it. Why do you use return when I have the money to pay for it? Even if it's my last money, I would do it.
Yeah, mara chere you should have
you are so tired you can't make breakfast. I don't know 200. Are you not gonna buy yourself food?
Yeah, the one that breakfast.
So that's what I'm saying. Pay for convenience.
Speaking of that also,
what makes your life easier?
Okay, I feel like yeah. Convenience in guys. The
problem is, I think people think like there's a reward of suffering. They think it's like
I wanted to get to that because I saw a video.
Okay, so
that's your ball, right? But I saw something related to that. I don't know where she was giving the speech. I think because
when some bids a women's month, I would really want to sit with her.
I think
I
think wakamuza MSC cruise. You guys, you are not supposed to be going on those cruises now and go to enjoy 3 days in a Portuguese island and come back and all that. That's what you do. In a sense, you are welcome to Wako prioritize udipina rather than usave. I think she's all about saving, but then I feel like at some point she gets to a point when the next generation, as if generation I get it because my friends are makua ori nendorari. I'm your green that's what she speaks about a lot. So let's because we want to no man. I feel like Wako. It's a good idea, but to cover save. I mean, man, as long as you like diary, no, nichko save. You don't have to enjoy yourself. Like why is about MSC?
But then I'm shocked when you not come because that's very contradictory. Like you should marry rich. You need the itaninga rufuno. Is she not the same person?
She is the one. I'm sure. Yeah, make a sense because upon welcome bozo me. She do know about one. I mean, apaka mswaka mbori niko save. Sini kwa 40,000 per month, and then nakona. MSC new guy is like let's just say 2050
10
okay 50
or less
somewhere around there ninga biology hela chede 1 month na MSC cruise na enjoy na bangwe uto the reward
so our parents shouldn't do it uzitu ngarene
no bakori whoever is working now ani ana the savings that enough probably shouldn't be doing that. So then go to save.
And then what's going to happen to your mental health? You're going to wake up and go to work, wake up and go to work. Do you think everyone that's using their 300 imagine you're taking your 2 kids there. How much is that going to be? Unlike Gold Reef City where we pay
like the thrill one.
Yeah, but okay.
Oh, it's 3 something actually. You're going.
The personality, I wouldn't advise that, because I want my parents to. Personally. It's very wrong.
Doesn't make sense, bro.
It's very wrong. I think this was legend of but reward. So it's like no for so what tongi so ushengira. Okay. Phone any me on zvino ti. If I took your phone, you need to fix up. Now phone and ndoneta but dzikodore avasineterana competition yoneta competition yoneta no ndingori vatu vaurane vana nezvino zvinovhuwa ndogodiwa ndofa ndikale rovhuwa ene ndionovhuwa zvino okay why vasongwedhera you get what I'm saying. So I don't know uri namakuva vanazvona but I think zvoderetsaka vatu vatso
I think with whites, that's what we come when they were able to like generate wealth. Kare, chede ya daresa, lune, nikuifa bananga, yadabaya fukera na kababdur, nanendola. So ba azimo relation na nertios chill. And then remember we have nothing chine chori back and chori back up.
No, it would hurt me so much. Arali mianga uchira bakutambula bachiroba hasaro chifu bachire ngapani. It would hurt me so much because I would be like,
you're very queen if I was going to.
No, because you're safer.
Oh, you're safer.
You get it.
Make it sense.
And now you're and then what?
Imagine
guys, I think have you seen how white people live? Like they are having the time of their lives. They go out for wine, dude. They are going to spas, they're doing facials. And the Venda has those two. So if our parents have a 500 rand, I don't see why. Because Japan is not like Recopasa and stuff. Like I don't get it. So what is the message duality in Ningeno?
Island every day.
No, exactly. Like it's once a year. I don't care. And then
that's not
we need to go, bro. I'm gonna go everywhere, bro.
No, no. I'm at 21.
Ndingaita bikini yongorofe M21.
Wait, why was I
Brenda?
Venda nazvintu unazvikepe why was I really organizing to shoot online you into each kepe inyange vari sota songa dzidizemba dzidzi
mara zvingazitode like a speedboat like churane chononga chila chachifaro you see chifaro
ila chini na chinamera nya nione kamara ani ko richadlo
zvino wine kwamba zvimara
so I assume it's free
why ari ndikusapota manu mwanga.
Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, anyway. Also, have you seen how Nishi post the video on TikTok? Or when you go into any video, TikTok, search more frequently. Video. I've been searching what people are, and you have been seeing what people are searching under my videos, man.
Let me see. For example, under which one?
I think they recently.
Any of our trailers.
Sometimes the trailer, sometimes kaya personal don't know if Kingsley's net worth. Like, bruh, atina net worth. You know if it net worth I'm to
guys, why are you taking it that deep?
Bruh, like
guys, ana chito mutwe.
Guys, atina chito literal. And then the other one was like, Kingsley Mudau interviewing his girlfriend. Like some things that just don't make sense.
That is so weird. I need to check. I need to check.
Something like this.
If I go to my video.
Okay, let me go to mine now. Okay, Kingsley Mudau's girlfriend. Now they're looking for the girlfriend.
No ways.
Okay, apa auna. Zamor koreda funyanga. Now it's Kingsley Mudau's girlfriend all the time.
Ah, uko dodi wa mkono.
Kaya mkona ungofi. Fimini. Abe mkona yoro fimini kana.
Uko dodi wa girlfriend.
Wana mkona simbeze.
Ini na TikTok ya personal. Divi. Wani wa vlogger.
No, the vlogger.
No, it's not influencer.
Oh, not influencer ma. Usiro tambo.
It's just not the work that's the brand. It's going to shoot you.
Usiro tambo kids like you see first graduation. And then nga grade. People were like checking the NQF level 8 meaning in South Africa. Guys,
why? Vatu vatoda mapungo vari vatongaini ngoda mapungo vacho
tusanyana pala napala
unavala vonrwela unge research ka comment section
yachogavala muti lachinabedi chadini
ndicho 2013 odhari 2013 ane ndikuzviumbura I think ndandonova mara because I had short hair palati ndandonova tendo somewhere 2013 ndatendo
naka grade 9
ri ndandogerera nwamuti ndikuzviumbura
obvachalukwa
ndorikuwa kashodza red hapi
dzonakarenza hapi mara
ndikale remember ndichiita zvoimiswa zvodzi head girl ndandina I used to have long hair mara afanta blonde ndodaya blonde afanta it doesn't matter vangerisa hapi nditatamure ndaviya ndang'ara ndarivila I'm cutting my hair
avalafanga dziva english ti
atichadhivo rovonyi the late
nyatobo
dobo vone vonoita zvavo mavudzi nami so ndagera zvichuniki nendaiziva nditageni nkomufore zvino ndandi problem because I had all those bad things everything chisadodiwe I had it so ndayani I think ndagera kandi totatamura mandani uyogerwa mavudzi makuru anga vaina chiphaza ati adelinguthanga likhodorenga lari lekonogera mavudzi ndarai no problem ari ndide ari ndidise chigero ndogerwa ngeicha so ndongori ndanombudzwa ndikonyanga utosara woita sonyana
zvitukunyana kubrushi kubrushi
dhuva lone tindandoya makuru anga that day ndavuwa tonga dhuva lone ndandowanga nazvienda peast ashu zvechikoro so ndatonga chienda chisi changa so that day was a horrible day. I'm wearing shoes that are not my size ndogerwa mabet.
Were they big or small?
Ndogerwa mabet. They were big. Ndogerwa mabet. It was the worst day of my life. I'll never forget that day. Ndabuya haya ndairesa. Mi makuru ngavafurira mianga varidanje mwana ukonira ati. I feel to rectify you. Mianga vatora ndivangisa samwe peast ona ku okudendo ngiriwa. Sina kereke magula ati.
Paste kereke magura
hela ira block FM mara TP is to divide wa
ngange Telkom
yeah
ndikubona
so hapa wewe unalewo lithanga
konani afala
ndapangiwa afala and abendi ko rectify wa mabet ne okay ba rectify mabet mara bangera test
but anantu
ish yo
ndikajila
acha wono ula ndikoni uzondopedza 2 months ndiko namera bed grade 9 ndichiko namera transport ila ya watu weta studies chama chero uri ndichimbire veiwe ndisatosvika ndisabvi class ndisaipetuka murikizura murao 2 months oskera
Ever chitona studies ya grade 12
ndichigidima chichitobva ndandichigidima ndaenda genetics in bags ngoyezura yeima 2 months of my life that was the worst time of my life.
What crashing on you then?
I don't remember.
Anamtaka kuniambisa kamzi anilicha alichambisa shona tese.
Nine ani umburi, you didn't get to see it because that's how much I was hiding. You didn't get to see it. Assembly ndichirenga usvika uri ime murau ndatabanya. Do you understand uri ndakuchirwa baba yani?
Trauma. Okay, now ndikupesa trauma yanu.
Ndikogono yona.
Sorry. And then also kama the content creator, I saw this other video kula kwana. I think ndiko antu ufinyi perseverance marimi kana marimi.
Koita men.
No kwa
content creator. However, quick explain what a content creator is. I saw the video marathon wait this girl, yes. Chifi Pen.
No.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
It's fine. I goosebumps. Oh no, goosebumps baba ndivo dokote. Not to roll and dokote.
Okay, yeah. Oh, what exactly was she saying?
I think she was giving a description because Venda now, one of my theory. I'm not sure if it's about the monetization of Facebook. Like everyone wants to be a content creator. Everyone is doing this. Or it's just like a cloud. Yeah, content creation in a own. People are doing it because they want to do it and they love it. But then we're talking to mom, no, Venda's up with another content creator. But when was Facebook and all those things. And then because I'm realized, what is a content creator? All these things. And then now I'm done a video one. Like enough, Nanukunya goes diva. Then she defined content creation. A content creator, an influencer, and a celebrity. I could define how to be. You need to define as an established.
Okay, I'm guessing a content creator and have vlogged. The ones that are able to come up and construct content in a certain way, like get ready with me and whatever. And then an influencer, I'm assuming it's someone that is known and una capability, like, okay, we want the hair.
Oh yeah,
because influential, right? And then a celebrity, I'm assuming this is the artist and whatever, just being famous for what you do. I'm assuming. I don't know.
I think she divided it in that way also, man. Because she was just like content creation, okay. Because then like it's the confuse, content creation and influence. Because I feel like also, okay, just besides the vlog, because now numbers of vlog, okay, I'm like, okay, it makes sense. If they're going to a restaurant and now you want to go try it, they're like, okay, the influence or did they happen because you used to come here also. So I was just like, but then because I'm sorry, it doesn't make sense for people to say, Venda the content creator. I feel like there's like a lot.
May I listen to how we defined all of them? Then it's very possible for one person to be all three.
Yeah,
you get it. Because I read in the
maybe not celebrity. You can be majority can be two.
Okay.
Makadzi can be 3.
Yes. Ndikwamba zvezvo.
Yeah.
Okay, yamakadzi comes yanginta. Mara let's come down to level yashuti. Let's say Sinete, for example, the actress. So Jamba angawera na kele celebrity. Even though the movie akabo Connie Ferguson,
I wanted to get
Karine the Riamudibar, we know her on TV. So the happy celebrity ingabaya 5,000 people, yabaya 5 million.
But then it's funny how Fistos angaba celebrity.
Yes.
And then to me, it's just a normal person.
He's just a normal person.
He's there. Because now you come back and then I just have access to her.
You just have access to her. So
yeah,
in
so she's a celebrity.
But it doesn't mean as a celebrity. Adoafuti akono ita the videos, I mean the content. Adoafuti akono influential, maybe go down or whatever she wants to do. I don't know.
Yeah.
Kananga the restaurant. Why does the restaurants what?
Oh, na the hashtag. I saw free titties what.
Wait a minute.
I saw free titties.
Oh.
There was a hashtag free titties.
Oh, okay.
You can check it.
No, I don't want to see it. I'm good. But I'm just saying that I think Zion is a content creator.
Give me 3. Give me 3 content creators of Venda. Oh, and then
also
problem
that was Jennifer the move on.
How could I say manongo feeds content creators of Venda? So that's the Venda because they use
Oh.
I think I was about
content creator.
I think
no, Mara it is a vlog.
An influencer.
Yeah.
A celebrity.
Yes.
I think the more you overdo some of those things, you end up falling into the third one of being a celebrity.
Because you are known for that.
Yes.
Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, look at a person like Ghost Louis.
What are you?
Oh, me, I don't know, bro. I don't do content. I can't even edit. Okay, I know how to edit. I'm just lazy. You know, industry, but do you know how much content I have, dude? Do you know how much content?
Vlog at Tanzania, they want my next year.
Canada City. I have not even the Tanzania page. And then, dude, I've been to almost every restaurant.
I'm not a vlogger.
No, imagine. Hey, man, that was a vibe.
And then, whatever Venda, Winjawo, Venda content. Like, look at your Whitney, Ramabran, and Popinki, Ashimisana Ndivo, Rambao.
Yes.
I have to ask the Venda content creators because they're not based there. Because now, you know, Venda, you're right. So, I content creator in Abangango Mayo.
Do you understand mwana uwaitadza oyabodzi MGB ndikantu ndo hangwa dzina mara she does hair as well man uwaita
kama McDonald's hapo
hai man ndochopenga tindiko scroll apa ndidoliwana ndakuzokufunga ndajena apa udobverera fast ngori ndizoenda ndikubona zvithu zvavo zvithu zvononga zvezvo holani I feel like the content creator because she sits down edit
Life with Happiness the one you have comment about
Life with Happiness asiyene nendikuamba milk ndobona mumwe oya to that soke event oita video ufi milk and butter and something but there's milk
bread and butter
una milk and honey
milk and honey
iran ndayakawindi the one
tabanyani abero mubona
yeah I know her hula bread and butter asiyantu mulalo mulalo kadita
oita min mulalo like ineno mgenesis and conversation
no ndina kwa manga bread and butter una bread
no milk and honey
okay
upi milk and honey ola muzana ndomubona oboya soke izvo muzana ndidoliwana dzina lawo
so I invite you Amara was like I'm not
same nena ndandisiyo it's apparently the event in here represent like African countries like neighboring not neighboring per se I think hote so they come together
never know yeah nagurisa deck comes
okay I don't know but what I'm saying is and then she explain it well in the event when people come
let's go substantial ticket it's fine
but it looks beautiful I would have fit in properly so it looked not because of that I just love tuzorala tukomuwana we tudomuwana uphenyi baby girl chonaka man china good una barber shop obuya ita zogera
very mina
yes
ita zomini
zogera like a barber what
yeah achaita
ati dibi mara zvino ndibona zadzi wig netina mshona wabe vazikati but I'm saying oita imwe yopedzera zvino ya MGB
uitaka mika
YouTube kana okay then you follow her Facebook I don't know about other platforms but it you can see the work was put in no yakashindishera ningo manafa
oh yeah ndikumdiva
told you sleep mode.
No, I thought
Ungasiya sleep mode.
What about the fool? Ndiani gay.
Okay, that was
Yeah, this is not come about celebrity ndi makadzi Venda ti.
Yeah.
Mizona ndi celebrity, right?
Yeah.
And then who else?
Goosebump. Bofistos. Whoa, they were music industry is a celebrity. You've seen our
I think
or root kid. Have you seen root kid akachikoro with
celebrity? It's either an athlete or a musician. Oshimse no nkanji.
Okay.
Somebody wama thowa bano ndi celebrity.
Yes, they are. Definitely.
Ufuna uri artist. Maybe oshimse artist because what's net baweka as artist. Art, but I remember artist as mwimbi.
Yeah, like artist, yeah, I mean.
You're actor. That's an art.
Oh.
You're doing art here.
Oh, really? Damn.
That's what it was to.
Oh, come on.
But paying into. Oma 40,000. You recover it to my podcast.
And come, okay, utoma maybe mara udra number.
It's not easy, man. Also, I feel like this was a critical thinking. I mean, now you want to go umbla who could date. I mean, number is marango do number fast. Which means
I think about the backlash that comes after it. Speaking your mind is easy. What people will think of what you said.
Then we're like, okay, what's happening now? Yeah.
Speaking of backlash, I feel like people are always waiting to sound better. There's a word to sound different.
In what way?
You see, people came and commented, or no, they remember it and whatever. No one wanted to go watch the episode and listen to the entire thing further. You get it? What the comment and whatever. And then there are certain people, but they just wanted to come for me. Oh yeah, are you saying they were ugly? Are you saying? And I'm just like, I really wish I could break it down. Not what I'm talking about media. I think it's because they don't know about media, so I knew what I was talking about. Ha maribi ya nepa. Yeah,
Mike, how do I?
And I was still saying, the people blew it out of. That's not what I mean.
I just feel like also, with this thing as a podcasting, or anything on social media, you can't explain everything. Like,
it's a simple or it was intentional. It's a simple thing yori. I didn't go on a movie. Nido ibona difference ya musi uchiosumbezuare mtu akolora. They do that. It's grading. It's intentional. So okay, I don't rika stories. Inina bani niko tambula nisina cherede.
No, ndina cherede. Ini niko
tambula. No, tumani me tiko dipangati hiyo. Nichisuka unena dopfumo uneni mudinaka. Why? It's not like you grew kachtori. It's how they make you look. You get it? Nimozana, they'll add more weaves. They'll put better makeup. They'll do whatever. At the end of the day, as a writer, I have a script and I know how I want the story to unfold. So we're not going to put as much makeup on you. We're going to make sure your hair doesn't look a certain way. So we're trying to bring up a story.
People always just have a lot to say,
over different. Richimuvera mudini one uko shengeriwa. Na light ityo ungasive chwa vitu zungasinake because rekozamo sumbezuri unandala. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's what I meant. So I'm just like, people don't want to understand.
No, man, but what they like I said, and I think I've said this before also. What was already no attack for shne abanyagubo. Like nenga simbuzori nkodana commenter of a trailer.
Also, there are people that just don't like us
just
from Biruni. You know, there are people that just don't like us. Right?
No.
Okay, maybe
there's quite a lot.
Screenshot and I couldn't believe it. Ndamutoda urindibona urindia mudivana ndo mukanda konzi somewhere. I
did a screenshot of mutu akambangaini. Uvi once. And I was like,
no sir, achigwena. Ngai.
Chigwena ndi.
Shiragasi chambedzina. Hardo amba. Mara I'm saying
kerekelani. Anugamba zina la kerekelani.
Ondungumuza ninkumbuziri chwezati. I'm just saying. Homutu literally hateredzi utoya ari vatu voposta maybe uchikoposta sip and paint kana vopostiwa someone on
even under sip and paint.
Yeah, I don't know why you guys like what's so nice about this event. Literally same person. Ndamutoda and then aya wonga ari
ndinyi
I didn't thought that zina ndo hangwa because atimudivi. And then ndaya
now you're royal name drop at same time.
No. Ndaya wonga ari ormini. Ari I don't know why you guys say this girl is pretty. I'm like, this is so much hate. Like, bro, and actually, I'm born. Mutu abakuri Miss P always has makeup or Evan, she's pretty, and that's it. That's what we're saying. Or she's gorgeous.
The only door was in.
Makeup artist. I want so that. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just like, there are people that just don't like us, and that's okay.
I think I'm not sure if you're me if you're na or yeah chipango because no I think chipango because I got people saying hey interview real like what hey
the questioning is good.
And then this guy comes and say you need to research your guest. Hey Vanda, somebody out of the guest and then was the research you open it out.
Exactly.
Because that's what podcasting does.
Ukotiyoda story chawo why ndikotiyoenda muresearcher ndadova futi ndikotiyomuudza mapungu akanene kutiyobudza nne. What do you mean?
Bone botoma nga
21. Why?
That's why it's famous 21.
Why?
Now why tiba budzi ndaida research nditema ndichizidiva. That's what you think and you should start your own it and not.
It's annoying, man.
Sense,
but I feel like we shouldn't take it too hard because azvingagumi. People are always ndimomuntu odzurawo hango oedera singotamba akocheta osenonga 5 megabytes probably aka free mode didn't even see what they're talking about angwala you get what I'm saying so I'm not bothered ngamande sangori it's more positivity than negativity so why should I choose to listen
exactly that's what I've seen
one comment
because no the realize there's so much
positivity you know
and for me to just focus on muntu mtiane
remember
5 minutes data dzapera
ambodingara commenter oh no baka free mode remember the one year arikwamba about the god thing una moment akwamba yo I'm actually at a level like this and I'm like there are actually people that are being like that are learning and taking something from it
time,
especially that I had like 3 people come to me straight or yo that conversation was like deep so there are people that are learning from it so we're not going to listen to one person
nisongo nichikwata nisongo comment what things you have to say engagement nisongo nicho comment if nina hate just comment
mutu akobona ntungaupera mini
Watu vangasinifune north yani cherede so you must understand that
never mind guys now I represent
and with the girls it's worse why is it always girls anyways
I think I'll make you more like girls always hate on girls, bruh.
Yeah, girls don't like girls.
I think competition because it's never about kuti.
Mara ndo competition na nini guide isn't divi.
Nikorera rine like
hola mtu ndo tombona there's no way uri nena irono pfana mtu mti there's no
ndikota mzezo ini nawe yana
and okay nyama ndichibona profile picture I was just like
ukabona probably okay ndikuita example ngamzana udobona batho se batano batukana bonokonita nto unokora why so pretty why so
then it's like affect
abene tutubudziwe zvikuti affect so
guys come on get a life get a hobby
speaking of hate man have you ever experienced racism rambanga zviliado
racism can them on the street okay apart from that picture that I posted
which one now
ndoposta chinepe murova actually ndikori white people actually don't love us because ndandobone selfie but maybe ndingaona rasi ngosedzarini ndinosedzarini and then one of my friends ushuma Cape Town Hlamu came and commented ari chikeni Hlamulo chada chari uri she knows who there's a person that actually hodari tindori white people don't like us ningasachivhura ti chamurova chinepe Hey.
No, unangandiwa makwanye ndakucheka ndakutevara mini up the haters for being beautiful and good skin. Yeah, I feel like white people man
so akwambori onotobudzwa ngamukuwa ari they hate us for being beautiful having good skin and beautiful bodies only that ari otobudziwa an African lady actually told her or this is why
did she say we hate you because she was like I hate you because of your skin I hate you because your color of your skin
no angababotori most of us we she probably put it in pro. I've never like experienced it nemune. How about you?
I don't think I have also man so last never has a guide and now that also kamanga chunga cha June so lila ngwa June 16 I mean we know rarko preso in terms of like color I mean so I've never experienced it but I've seen people also just that also with social media this is happening but then I feel like I always get the ones when they are welcoming unless
what if they're being pretentious that's ndo nyamba zone vanokula kusmile nekudiva vana smile
kusmile ndiyakudiva kona una smile now unozo okay they are genuine because this at that time ndingotanzwa goloiti angota kudzonzo then this other guy wa Africanary he came there atomwamba zvine I'm like I bet you guys you just have to pretend for like a minute and a appear now ukwamba zvine achita chipanga Africans not I bet he faces was like I tried then in Venda it's very hard I once went to Livubu also that area of yours but then,
I was
like okay.
No but nice let's not say they're all racist because but I've never really experienced racism but people in Cape Town Nangangi they complain a lot about it
actually no fuck that okay don't just say man no I've experienced racism
where
remember the time I was in Cape Town? I think it was the first time. I was very sick that day. So I had to go to this camp. Then I get to this other Tonga Pangami. Like it's a blue
like a little, yeah.
And then this couple and Davana Tangana was cool. So I was like, hi. The lot of magazines, I'm like,
don't talk to him.
Why are you doing this too?
And Abeba innocent. What was she?
And then I get to this camp now. And then there was like a queue. Queue that this came near Tomano Ima. About the Rakamas about 5. And then Nashkanda Ima and Mrava. Then I was like, oh, okay. Okay, tell me. And then move. I should talk one then with one Kobana chance statement. You Zura Zungura, you Zura because the line your moves. You told Zura and then the other lady, I'm with it. I move her like 2 seats ahead. Ngailandreri, the song understand. Then did you send there that that's what Ukunya Goya to the edge of the seat. And out you know those also awe. And then that was a room to article face Rukit, I mean. And then when I want yam colored, that's one so wrong on something Apalan.
Yeah.
Then Yam the baby done of magazine. Which got the one mood. No, I'm talking at the badder. You're supposed to call me when someone is done. So how can you go around to cover a wait list? Now never did for in the right. Because I'm like,
no, I think
I don't know, man.
I think the day in that they experience, and I'm probably gonna be vocal about it.
Okay, maybe na nema really advanda kuto pista because nando ambara woody.
Yeah, maybe. Wabakopa urwara maybe. Bazikopa.
Nah,
Korea black.
Nah, it wasn't.
No, ambara mask obviously kurwara. They think you've got a cold. And it's contagious.
Awuna mtu ne counter nezanga nge achiko itantu.
Wait that.
Akot dasubanje which achirwa kurwara. And abala banga semba zira kurwara nabo.
But then still, it doesn't mean this person looks sick and if you flu you know it, right?
And then also, come on.
Yeah.
I see never to.
Okay, but then dingy.
I
was not at work. That's your mshumon. Did you want? Do you want to kind? Not umpayoni. You can't even deny it. Anyways, I was still saying, I feel like now I would be vocal about it.
Yeah.
Right there, then go bam. I would. No, we understand. Imagine I get to. Yeah.
The Caucasians.
I never this came and whatever. So I think Baba Korindi does something. Whatever. So I'm like, I can't see what's written on this paper because ink yabo you Did she not say, yo, you are so young. Why can't you see like in Venek? Here in Medrin. Yo, wrong. And I'm like, what? Sorry, what do you mean? What are you insinuating? But no, I'm just saying, you are young. Usually old people complain about this. Hey, but
if not, what I trying to say, Adore. Niti, what, you look young. Insinuating Yumdin.
Daddy, don't ever speak like that. And then this and I was being very polite. I tried to be very polite. Oh, don't say stuff like that. But and also, you don't decide when I can't see and what I can see. Also, it's your fault. How are you making it my problem? Why are you making it my problem? So I think people are just rude. Also, I think that they just need to understand or face the problems over
yeah, all the time. I think maybe someone is just having a bad day. Like no jamushimone, you have to encounter with people all the time. So just any read now.
You need to. Also, Anina choice. That's the problem.
Yeah.
You're working with people. People are going through so much every day. And Anina, why no frown?
Because I want to this other TikTok. When a waiter gives you the wrong order and then you just have to smile because maybe they're just having a bad day. Hey, Banna, wrong order, bad day.
Okay, here's the thing. How you address it is different. You can't always be ready to fight, Tanga.
Yeah, that's true. Don't even call them and say wrong order.
So no, is the wrong order. Oh, I'm so sorry or whatever. And see, I even call out there.
The report and it and I'll lose them shoe. Then I'm like, Marna, I still order is younger.
In boots. Now to me. So we are saying it a KFC. Nimbus and go renga. Yeah. They go renga wings and what's this? Nga drive through nga Uber. I'm on my way home. So ndafira ndaumbela uri vajene ndajena ndayayani. And then ndichila I prepare for my eating. So I put a tray, I put everything, change number tracksuit. I want to watch something and eat. I always have to watch something. Ndivule ndi wana order isiyona. Tanga ndi Uber. Now I must go. That's first one ndikasidzule ndala order isiyanga. Also I was craving duck wings zvakuma. I know nga duck wings zetene bompanama. Bro, panama ndikuyada. No, we not 10, bro. I was so mad. I don't remember. Sinobonani ndahuma ndikuhuma nga Uber ti. Still zvamburi ndikuita in and out because ndingazido futhi nda request. Ndajena ndavabudza what happened. They fixed it and the only thing they gave me was free chips. The Uber yanga babe. That's another extra 50 or 60 rand on top.
I would have told them Mudau. Hey. Well then, hey, it happens.
Exactly.
Just don't attack, guys. You never know.
Yeah, be nice.
Yeah,
man.
be nice.
Be nice. You ruin their day. How you address it is what's important. And I think danga dating mutu asema waiter, it would be the last. We're not going anywhere. I don't like people that can't talk. I mean, no, already in a base, it always sounds like
yeah,
so.
I feel like you're going to end a podcast. You look angry, man.
When you say look, it's like you don't look. That's a whole different thing now.
Okay.
Not sound.
You sound angry, man.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, Uri, ati. Just learn how to talk, guys.
Yeah.
As you all it's not worth it. And do you know that in Inichirwana Mutu Usaraya Numbiduko Redanta? Do you know that? It ruins your day too.
To experience.
No, okay. Zamani road rage. Kana. Not even road rage. Just argue with someone.
Road rage is the
Mara, just argue with someone. Asuri inino sema mutu na ini sanani right. It doesn't make you feel good. That feeling is not good. It's not a good feeling.
Maybe I'm just a bad person.
You're just a horrible human being and you deserve to die.
Nah, at least in a friend burial.
You see? Although
I got to have 50 pieces.
And the partner. Silent partner. Ndiko tuwe ndiyo nepanda mwazi. I don't know. Mara ningambara mwazi unodotsira mkona. Tili chifuku.
Udodzanda bugisi unoskalegitsa. It's not like why they made and stuff.
Body shaming. Anyways.
Body shaming.
The body shaming. That's what I mean.
Body in the shape. You love your fin. Wait na.
Weight shaming.
Weight shaming. Equine. The body. Body a bend into.
That Tuesday, you don't drop the mama guinya manji.
Aye. I know. Try to.
Like, would you still date her if she was chubby? If she gained weight? Would you still be with her?
Yeah, because I was there the whole time.
Okay, let's say she gets pregnant. Wait, Sarah.
Yeah.
Don't lie.
So cool,
but you feel weird.
I wouldn't feel weird now. Also,
Is it true that men hate women that have kids even though the kid is theirs?
Nah.
Like you fall out of love. Guys, then what changes? Magiya, tell us. What changes when once mutuano achibeba? Why is the highest rate after the baby?
Yeah, obviously sometimes mubili wone unewachinja.
Yeah.
Mubili wono wala umutu kana wono wala chitu uyashanduka. But zvitobva kakuvumberwe kwa mutu. Rina bashu namubona zvino ukadito ba mutu.
Anyways, why vatu vachirichana after the baby?
Ndoshava zvezvita vana. Ndakutopindura nezvinhu.
After the baby. Yes, ngavozvezori kamsingori oshanduka, muviri oshanduka.
Okay, Maginya, fine. Why inodzura? Why inodzura zvinhu nzatowe?
Ngori aunachoshanduka ende
kave ashanduke andotua.
No, aunachoshanduka ukarufuno kanne.
Vapoza, vakozviwana musi. Vatoshanduka.
Muntu kaye gym. But each drop episode by gym.
Yes, I just wanted us to touch on this one before Chivarati because I feel like we've been in for an hour. So I saw this other TikTok this girl comes no nandi kwa mchimoni ndiko resign munanga omala. Now he said I should just come back and be a housewife. So, and then people were giving different views, of which none I also have my view. But then I wanted to get yours in terms of udichiswa mushumo nga mutu kamsingoro normal ari be a housewife. What are the conditions for you to agree to that? And then if not, you don't have to agree. then ndani kwaanira mini uri ndingasiri chana
amvulele something, a business. Maybe like your cute little Airbnbs, a coffee shop, something that I can also look up to, something that I can run. Yes, I got to too busy and too stressed out.
Yeah.
But at least I need to have a place where I can't wake. Obviously, if a person can afford support as a housewife, chances are una mutusi kana batusi, right? So my job is to cook. I'm gonna be thinking of recipes the whole day. Achibuya adangwana achikovo ulwana vamwange boardroom vamwe vazana vachikoshumisa maipfiyabuzi henceforth. Achibuya nendaita, I mean, then I serve him food and then we eat and then we sleep. When do I get to talk about my day and my work? And hence, I don't think I would be with someone and we are in the same field. Because I want a different view. Because of the I need to be able to educate him and the other way around. Compete. I don't want...
Isn't it boring though?
No,
not like Zamungas are different, not just Zamungas.
It's interesting.
Like in
it's interesting. For example, engineering, I'm interested. I want to know.
I wouldn't even know how to explain engineering. Baby, Rofata
no.
Bridges,
Zezoti or Ukoya sighting.
Maburo Quata, baby.
Maburo Vines. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I also say that, oh, wait, what I mean? I don't know, we're adding what. Then I'm like, okay, that's interesting. I would say maybe. Trend or something that has to do with marketing. I can explain it better, but I don't want to be in the same field, Namut. So hence I'm saying the only thing that can put me at home is having something that I'm running. I need to wake up every day. Did you want to call that disturbing? Like, so the only issue will be Ndorengo bisexual. I don't want that.
I think that's my view also, man. Because in as much as like I took her Jenna to call me, like Jenna, I mean, even if no one answer to Jenna, Jenna. But then also if no Jenna, then you will utilize it elsewhere.
Marogo need to say urimini also. Why?
No, just okay, because now like I don't really need a wife no go to via I mean. I work with this stress away. I mean, if okay, I did this, una a business, don't you want a boutique, don't want something like that.
Then let's rock.
Like coffee shop, something like that.
Then let's rock.
Then you got to Vanda, Nina Vana tune, coffee shop here.
Mara,
I need stress.
Atina stress in the Akona Uta Gwaneda Jiavananga too. You get it? I'm not. This one won't be a mood. Yes. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, then if we're doing that, let's rock.
I think,
but I'm not gonna sit at home. Forget about it.
Yeah, it makes sense. Also, that's right. It's your choice because okay, and then don't realize you just choosing to run it like from a distance.
Yeah, Mara guys, everyone. I feel like everyone deserves to solve something. And if you work up at the Airbnb or something, but what let me go solve something.
Like
bro, actually we ended. Oh baby, these tenants are stressing me out.
Even after that,
yes.
Just have that stress.
Do you get it?
Because yes, and
stress I think the issue about na boss usually bosses is usually an issue. It ends up looking like she's bowing down to him. Like my boss phone into your boss something. No, I'm saying you get to witness your wife being submissive to somebody else. Some way, one way or the other, you are submissive. More submissive ka boss yao. When your boss comes, near flip a screen and I'm scared and cheka property 24 again near change. You respect your boss. You fix that because you respect them like that. So Shambana Musi already Vanawakwita Posho Afona Udorish. And no man wants to see Mufumagazo aku respect her.
But I don't think that's my reasoning also.
You don't have Mufumagazo want to respect her funzi babo more.
Yeah. Now bafumakazi bingano last time we bafumakazi bashaba boss opera munna wabo. Like they respect their bosses more than anyone else.
Nabafunzi. Yeah. Kerekeni badibiwa uphi ba straight badi abashika ngachipinga. Banga number happy una meeting after church because yabana basungwa radio. And it should be the other way around. Yeah, no, my man needs to eat. Do you get it?
So, I don't think ningatwe vana kirikeni and rasha kirikeni solve.
No, women are like that now. No, women are like that now. Mara also the church is the problem because ringasive na choir practice nga Monday ngalawiri rava na intercessor what you are part of that as well ngalavuraru huko prepare wa mini zwa Sunday ngalavuna una bathu vana ani chivarabelera Friday ni to yana decorated
no,
Sunday.
Here's the thing.
Also, the church is trying to just get people.
No, I don't think it's the church, bruh. Zvikaini also. Unati vana kunyanga kudipanga kachimwe na chimwe cha kerekeni. Abatendi uri zvyapi roveta vanga. Lati vana afi rinerimo dire vatonga vaita mini. Mara mtu vane kerekeni ni okay. Nero kunyanga tubo clean ati ada. Yaro kunyanga intercessor ada. Worship team uhone. Hipa like give other people a chance. Ndela zvine vathu vatapedza kuti okay zvimwe zvidetwa ngaveva and then now na neglecta zvamudini wanu na focus akazva kereke. I don't think ndi fault ya kereke zvozvo. Unaona vathu vane abadzurise.
Une aba fault ya kereke ndizvo zvilo zvamuzikereke chirengobva. Ndi fault ya kereke zvo. As fault ya mudzimu.
Hani.
Ni fault if muya wori. My guy, are chibvanga one aibvenga one. People need to, do you understand that vathu vashuma 5 days a week Saturday
that
ni songo hangori vakatiyo svika vadzura vala beetroot na family yavo. So that is why kereke dzamakuwa ndidziwanawa that we think they don't worship God enough. We think they don't love God enough. And it's not true. They still need to go play golf with their business because guess what? After church you still need to eat. Life must go on. Let's be getting a 4.
No, for you excessive.
What are you going to do?
I think now we focus on kereke job like now kereke chijana nga 10 nga 11:30 ibe kubva that's like an hour and 30 just that CWC is no ibo jena nga 9 yafa nga 11
na still it's not bad. It's 2 hours
after covid yorechi marimba chijana nga yajena banga 2
bro 3 zvikobaka mufunzi
avo Venda like the whole time kereke ngena ngevenda chijena so za valid
ndala ni kuiumbrella
bandela zofi bathu vari pano remember bathu vari Joburg people are not here to like play people are here to work I'm not gonna see the church ndaya kereke yave yatocha 3 niyazvona kereke noya chimwe chinga yave kuchaya kamsi yapirira nga 30 minutes but vakutomo utakuwa namufunga okay now ndikotiyo papa if I have to because ndingasukudzura na kufunza
ndokari una timer ubona timer mra wange
nezvine zvitwa pano ntoni
anokuita
zva I don't think kereke nza Venda zvinga
anokuita zva munikero and nikosvona zvilo zviri mufunzi achitsa hudhe mumwe azamwe dovolola tero. That's really wrong. Your thingy, no, your item, your ribuwa vatu kereke abva.
No, the ofi dani vare.
But then you want to act like you're Jesus' little brother or something.
So I'm like,
no, it's very wrong. And ushumiswa muya wa mzimu because one they have nothing going on. Tiba shuma jone ndi mshumo wabo.
Nah,
people have jobs. We have side hustles. We have side hustles. Zinero kotiyo zicheka before chi report on Monday. But how? Ndawu yanga fondi doitan. Where is it?
Ahuna zvamo kubarelwa na inga mtu
na ino kubarelwa
ngadana chita pano Panda Studios awana timer you do as you please
yamba ngofuna
shikaba barele zvo
lika denje ropira sabadi
no not really yeah so that's it. I think it's like 3 minutes over so now komla zila zori no man vatu ne I would prefer someone ane udzraya mara ane they have something running not ndikovonda nisienda byanda ni one ningodwaka ndife nichiri aniwa ndolengo byandi ntuni mara uzi uneapi tuneadwa kuni stress rera over ni ngodobi yana dwana dara uzane matata
I think chitio controller ne
ndita mininga boss yanu achiko do report
ndito skoti senzana sorry
ambe na baba bathu
abala bathu mara zvavudi
that's what I'm gonna do so after guys when the party views away or on what you guys think
because wa coffee shop ndikomlorengelwa blog ya the apartment ndite Airbnb.
That's a good one also.
It's a good one. You can do all it. I have to do, and it's going to be good stress because it's what I love.
Retire?
With the money I'm earning now, it looks like I'll retire with everybody else.
No, just okay. Like if you go to the if like the plan comes and I retired like this, because we all have dreams.
It would be amazing to retire at 45.
Yeah. How old are you now? 26.
27.
27.
No, yeah. Do you know that after 25 you can't count? Indian guy.
27. We have the same age, remember?
Indian 198.
198.
You're such a baby.
I'm not a baby. I'm talking to Mulwan. 98
matomo. Oh, you are such a cute little baby.
I think we should end it here now. Oh. Guys, this episode was brought to you.
No, I didn't do no biography.
Oh, sorry. Hey, Rekata. This episode was brought to you by MR21. So if you want to contact them for anything, I always put the poster in. I want to chimwe. So yeah, do that, and then also Panda Studios. So we'll see you on the Oh wait, man, I don't get anything Adiba.
Mean.
Last week we were supposed to do a giveaway. Yeah, the 1,000 voucher, 1,000 rand voucher.
Oh, ngori rarisiyo last week. So abera ari kudoiitisa and rakudonanga kadzi comment.
Yeah, but then based on what?
Habe wait ya mini rarori mini.
No, I think already every month we're gonna be giving away like 1,000 rand voucher. Oh, funny enough, MR21 just like brought someone also on board. So Spa, chitodiva blackout chichaipedza ende chidava chikoniitira zvithu zvothe
Rina richirewana discount.
okay
Spa.
ndikudhisera ne nditodhiva zvovulungi ore ndikobvunga mahara tops ndi why ila nthu isafi Spa liquor ichitofi tops
I don't get it.
Sounds
Yeah,
awkward.
that is because Pick and Pay liquor.
Checkers liquor.
Shoprite liquor.
game liquor yeah
Kimbo Dinga is a whole different franchise.
exactly man yeah so I think yes or I don't know man how can we give away this thing because it's the first one it has to be an easy
I guess
one.
watu kaba commenting chitori chori why they need it.
Yeah, but then just make sure you like touch on MR21 because they're giving you the money. Vena rina chitu, na never kutoripa.
Zvino ukotiori mini muntu unokotiori wafuna vatu vachirova.
Yo, shinonga zvesvo. That's what I posted.
Ndozvopengera vatu vevo. Guys, yes, rikotenda ndisponsor ti. Mara in this case, tindi vatu vanokuda voucher yorenga grocery. Ndikwamuri udodari ndina ndara
Why do you
pedzari
deserve
mini.
it?
Oh, why do you deserve
Why
it?
do you deserve it?
Why do you deserve the groceries?
No, I'm like, not
But
really, not
vanoda
worried.
vaperuchedza
Not really.
zvondonga like I don't have parents, my grandmom is
wait.
what.
What if vatu vachishona ti zvozva so? Should we do it like in a way in the anonymous? So you just give your name, you just come to our DMs, guys.
Mara, if you're hungry enough, you can be.
Man. Not like zvozvine.
Have you seen how Chilla's thingy? Uri win this one.
I think giving a
No detail part another net. I say detail.
on a commenter, everyone who comments, then you are going to run ujala madzina ote una the applications ujia.
I know, Zilla.
And then the runner.
Man, that's not fun. So we're gonna do that every week.
Not every week, bruh.
Every month.
Comment
No,
and share.
like it's for a start, something is basic. Anyone can get it. Unashuka chine ndo refuzo ndokeda grocery mari kweni buy. Ngo berry pindura zvithu zva so.
Nari kudziva join akuliwa chitu.
Yeah, so guys. Okay, just comment down below. I feel like I need this. I deserve it because of this and this. And then also, you never know. I appreciate MR21. But though there, if I know no.
Rikonanga wena.
Are going to force Amara. Just
Comment,
a side note.
share, and subscribe. So
Love of issue. Share and it last.
I think I still feel like yeah, Chitori Chori, why you deserve this new the Shuma.
Yeah, that's the one I said now.
Yeah.
What Arishim say? And then, yeah.
Tell us why you deserve food.
That's
Weird.
I
so bad.